Hello, my name's Lizzie from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Land Rover Defender 3 litre D250 90 X Dynamic HSE. Now, this vehicle is a diesel with an automatic transmission. It is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Santorini black. To start off with, then you have your Matrix LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 22-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels with a gloss black finish, really complementing the Santorini black exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, which allows you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can see this vehicle has a full-size spare wheel. And once we open your boot space, you can see that you've got ample amount of room. You could easily travel with any day-to-day essentials you need to take with you. Within your load space, you are able to find your electronic deployable tow bar, where you can easily deploy or stow away, so you can tow things such as a trailer or perhaps a caravan. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the ebony leather upholstery. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again, you can find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort on any journey. The front seats in this vehicle are electronically adjustable, and the driver's seat is a memory seat, so once you find that comfortable position, you are able to save it so you can resume it every time you enter the vehicle. This car features a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is a brilliant feature as it allows all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have everything you may need, including hands-free options and of course your cruise control. Taking a look at the dash, you can see this vehicle has done 51,458 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. You also have a head-up display, which is a brilliant safety feature as it allows you to see the speed you are travelling at without taking your eyes off the road. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, allowing you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle. As well as this, you also have your DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Of course, you also have your Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go. You also have Android Auto as well as your Apple CarPlay, which allows you to use either Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music whilst travelling. You also have your 4x4 information, as well as wade sensing and different terrain driving modes. This makes this vehicle suitable for most terrain and any off-road adventures you may like to go on, ensuring that you always stay comfortable and safe throughout. The vehicle also features a 360 view camera, which makes manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. It also has a off-road feature, ideal for your adventures you may have. As well as this, the front seats are both heated and cooling, ideal for hot summer months as well as the colder winter ones. And your climate control is a dual zone, so you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger travelling in the front with you. This has been a presentation on the Land Rover Defender 3 litre D250 90 X Dynamic HSE that's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.